Amid prevailing tensions between Bangladesh and India, Indian Foreign Secretary came to Bangladesh for the first time in a top-level diplomatic tour in Bangladesh after the fall of Sheikh Hasina on August 5 this year in the wake of a massive rising and massive demonstrations across the whole country. It's expected that through this meeting, Bangladeshi authorities will clarify some issues, especially propagation by some Indian media regarding communal harmony here. Many Indian media have been publishing reports, fabricated reports according to Bangladeshi government's statement that Hindus here in Bangladesh have been going through oppressive courts, and there are many reports by Indian media that Hindus here in Bangladesh have been tortured inhumanly, and there are repeated attacks on Hindus after the fall of Sheikh Hasina. But these are fabricated and propagated news. Actually, Hindus have been living here peacefully, and after the fall of Sheikh Hasina, there are some political incidents, and not only the Hindus, the supporters of Awami League ousted government, they were victims of some political chaos, and some Hindu who were the diehard supporter of Awami League, they are also faced some problem or chaos here. But all these incidents, political incidents, have been labeled as a communal incident by Indian media. And according to an independent fact-checking organization, at least 49 Indian media have been spreading propagation against torturing on Hindu. Actually, Hindu and Muslims here have been living in a peaceful environment for many generations. And even after the fall of Sheikh Hasina, Muslims guarded the Hindu temples during their puja vacation. So the real scenario will be clarified here before the visiting Indian Foreign Secretary in Bangladesh. And after this meeting, the Indian Foreign Secretary will also meet Bangladesh's foreign advisor in a courtesy call. And in the evening, Bangladesh's Foreign Secretary will brief the media regarding the tour of Indian Foreign Secretary.